Okay, well I'm back at the museum again, and we've had visitors, we say, loosely, been messing with things and trying to steal stuff. So firstly, we're going to have a look at do not adjust. That's the dummy knob. This one is still largely in correct position. There's a little amplifier for the light and sound display. Have a look here, we have no power on things. Oh, that's normal, that kept falling off. Have a look, see if the power supply works after I trip over some cables. Now that is, power supply is running. That is, no, this is loose. I've got to replace, that's a big long list of adapters I have to replace. There's the mouse for things are there.
This.
Yeah, green button.
Yeah, but
no, that was just the audio lead. That's all I touched.
Well, something's happened where power has come to this that
you
wasn't
have to
there.
push the green button in, and it's a locking button.
We did that.
Okay.
Yeah, we did that.
So, well, that connection is hot, which means that was loose. You might have tried to mess with that, and it's made that connection loose. Lead there, so that might require some attention at some point. None of the else is that is hot. Yep. Tighten that up. Yeah, that's cooled off a bit.
That's just gone on and off when you did that.
Yeah. So we'll turn this off for a minute. That's the power switch there.
Yes, I knew that. Yeah, I knew that.
So this is...
We checked all of that, John, David.
This needs a bit of contact cleaner, I think. There'll be some of it.
Because we could not get power to this at all, even the green button. We did all that.
So I think he's loosened the connection on this.
Been playing with it.
Okay, let's try now.
Green button.
Wait a minute, start up. That should fire now to your green button. We've got power on it. Oh, okay.
Intermittent.
Yeah, okay.
Intermittent. Okay.
The connection is loose.
Right.
Let's have a look.
Because I did all I did everything you said to do here.
It's okay. Now this one has been in use quite some time. I should have some contact cleaner on me. I'll find it, bring it in, but otherwise
Good.
This will just need to tighten it up, and I'll put some proper crimp terminals on it later. Let's try now. That should be better.
It's come up now.
And for the audio stuff, this is the subwoofer connection. It's on a whole bunch of adapters that I need to replace.
Right.
I've got to pull this whole thing out and redo everything.
Redesign it.
Yeah, I'm going to redesign the whole box and this whole system, and brand new amplifier in one unit with a key lock.
Yes.
Yeah, that is coming off. That's normal. That's just double-sided tape that's dying.
Yeah.
I've got to whack a bit more on there.
Okay.
There we go. But this is designed basically to fail safe. If somebody messes with it, it's designed to just shut down. Yeah. So that should...
So we do have an issue with connections that were a little bit...
Yeah, loose connections, but it's somebody's tampered with it, which has brought that to light.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that connection has cooled down now.
Yeah, but it's still,
A hot connection generally means there's a problem.
Yeah.
Alright, I heard something out of this. Is it playing properly? Should be. There we go. There we go. Alright, everything's working. Alright, among other things that got messed with, my little light and sound display is not working. I think probably the memory stick's missing out of it. I'll come back and fix that one in a minute. Alright, looks like the light and sound show is back up and running again. Lights are flashing, radio's working. We're all good. So, short trip today. Alright. Need to put some more double-sided tape on that one. And checklist can live up there. Alright, you guys keep complaining that I left it in neutral, so we're going to put the ferret in gear. Alright, in neutral, we'll stick it in gear here. We should put it into gear there. Alright, now you can stop worrying about the springs. Handbrake on. Oh gee, it should be good. We're in first. Alright. Alright, something else we need to do at some point is put all the radio gear back in this as well. There's a full complement. Took it out a while ago to clean things. Oh, and a bit breathless now. Now, this guy might be going on loan to the 4th 19th soon as well, so we do need to do a quick bit of a check. I need to get something to open the fuel tank there soon. There was some junk in it. We'll need to bypass it with a temporary fuel tank. Anyway, that's a short look at the Ferret.